What is the legal retainer agreement? A legal retainer agreement serves as a work for hire contract between the attorney and the client. The contract explains a period of work within which the attorneys will charge at determined rate per hour. The work periods may be defined or undefined. The legal retainer agreement may for a particular matter or general service over a period of time. For example, you meet with a lawyer to discuss an issuing. The contract explains a period of work within which the attorneys will charge at determined. Attorney will charge determined rate per hour. The work period may be defined or undefined. The legal retained agreement may for a particular matter or general services over a period of time. For example, you meet a lawyer to discuss an issue involving ongoing legal needed for your company. The lawyer will then provide you with a legal retainer agreement to review and sign so you can retain the attorney as counsel for your matter. The legal service agreement may include the sixth section: bill rating, number 2, other cost, number 3, billing frequency, number 4, line items, number 5, client file storage, number 6, responsibilities. Billings rate: the billing rates for each professional who might work on your behalf. This included the lead attorney, other partner associations, associates, and possibly paralegal. These fees will be acquired on a per hour basis. 2. Other cost. Other cost that may be billable to you, the client. These fees may include server and code fees as well as expert the consultant fees which were necessary. Billing frequency: how often you the client will be billed. Line item: the expected itemization of bills. Client file storage: policies regarding to the storing of the client file. Responsibility: what if any responsibility the attorney might have to client to it representation and before the legal matter is resolved. Here is an article outline the specifics of the legal retainer agreement that including additional reference if you would like further information. How retainer for lawyer works: the lawyer retain is a basically an agreement between you and the lawyer that you would like to reserve a certain amount of the lawyer's time. This time could be used for a specific issue, or in the case of business, it might provide you with quick access to the attorney time. The legal retainer in an amount of money that is given to the attorney in advance of their works for you. It's a called a retain because the money remains you properly until the attorney has earned your payment and allows you to retain their service. Early fees. For example, are dedicated firms the retainer on a regular schedules as air other fees as they occur. The schedule of deductions will be mentioned in the legal retainer agreements. It is important to remember that the retainer amount is not meant to cover the entire cost of the attorney's work. It may a cover percentage no matter how small. It may also be more than enough for the work at hand, in which case you will receive a fund of the unused amount. If the retainer drop below certain amount, an attorney or firm may request additional funds for the retainer. Those are funds to bring the amount back up to its original number to continue legal services. Here is an article about how legal retainer works. Why do lawyers use retainer? There are three good reasons why a lawyer use retainer. Number one, compensations, availability, incur, incurred cost. The retainer is the form of concept compensation for use to attorney reputation in the event that the name association could resolve matter quickly.